imagine what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Good morning everyone, it is very early as you can tell. I've just got out of the shower and we're just gonna have some breakfast. We've got the dining plan which we purchased in advance, but it's a long way over to the food hall to get breakfast, and when we went around Walmart these boys wanted to choose some cereals.
Frosted churros.
So Jake's chosen the Cinnamon Toast Crunch churros and Oscar wanted Fruity Pebbles. But I've just poured out the milk and I think we've got the fridge too high because there's actually lumps of like frozen milk on the cereal, and yeah. But it's fine, it's all good. It's hot out here, so you know, you can eat it. Does it taste alright?
It just tastes like milk.
So we just bought some cereals and some Hot Pockets actually. They're really good for breakfast, aren't they?
Yeah, we like Hot Pockets.
And we bought a massive milk. What is that? How much is in there?
12 gallons.
It's like a huge, a gallon.
One gallon.
Gallon of milk. And yeah, so we're just gonna have some cereal, and you get all little plastic or paper bowls and things in the room. So I thought if we start off with cereal, then we can save our quick service credits for dinner later on. I think we might head to Disney Springs at lunchtime today, because we either want to try Chicken Guy or Blaze Pizza.
Chicken Guy.
So yeah, they're going to tuck into some cereal with frozen milk.
Yeah. Well, it makes it
winning
nicer.
at parenting today. Look how red my face is.
Maybe you caught the sun a little bit.
Maybe.
Or maybe it's just his room because it's very, very
It is actually. It's making everything look red for some reason. Are you okay? Good morning, my darling.
Are you okay?
Hello. Let's just not get a stupid baby's legs in.
Hi.
How was your sleep on your own over there? Good.
Lonely.
Is it too early for you though? It is 9:20, so it's not that early. Yeah. I feel like it's early. I mean, we've been up for 2 hours, haven't we?
I know.
And we've had coffee and we've made plans for the day.
We have.
We've checked all our fast passes. I'll put a couple of pictures on Instagram. We're up and we're ready.
Yeah,
and
we're raring to go.
Boys are like, oh, after our journey last night.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we might have some pool time. Some more pool time today, because tonight we are off to Hollywood Studios because we've got Fast Pass for Slinky Dog, which we haven't done yet. Yeah. And we also want to see Fantasmic and the Star Wars
Galactic
lighty
show
thingy.
thing.
So yeah, we will get a bit more presentable when we're back. So we've come down to our Cozy Cone pool by our hotel, and we got a little cozy cone. There's this, you can go tell. Yeah, a little cone, a little shady.
A little cabana cone.
Yeah.
It's really cool, isn't it?
You can put your chairs in that in, and then you can keep your flip-flops and your drinks in, and somewhere to sit when it gets really, really hot. And then you can watch the boys, who are the only, oh, there's only a couple of people in. You can see the boys in the pool.
Right.
They're just jet washing, that's what the noise is at the moment.
Okay,
They're really cute, aren't they?
They're jet washing the floor.
Yeah.
Keep it clean.
Boys are in there already. Ladies jet washing. And yeah, we're just going to lay out and get some sun, aren't we?
Have a bit of chill time.
Yeah. We're just heading out to Disney Springs, and you can see the gondolas in the background. They've started moving them now. They haven't got any people on yet, but we've only seen them stationary, and they're shooting along. They're really fast, aren't they?
Yeah, they're flying.
We're just trying to work out what we think they're going to do. Are they going to stop them or just slow them down? And
I think they'll be slowed down.
there's lots and lots of them running. That's the Caribbean Beach Resort, which is just next door to ours.
Yeah.
We've got Pop Century in between, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
We nearly stayed there, didn't we, Caribbean Beach?
We did. There was a toss up between the two, but I'm quite glad we had a suite in the end that we could shut our own door.
Turn right.
Yeah, they're all flying across the thing.
Yeah, because Caribbean Beach don't do suites, do they?
No, they don't. We are parking in the orange car park, and Disney have got this ingenious thing that I haven't seen in any other car park, where they've got green or, well, coloured LEDs all along the parking spaces, and then when you park in one, the light goes out, so as you look down each row you can tell if there's any spaces down there rather than driving up and down.
It's really cool, isn't it?
It is, because as you go underneath it just goes bink and they go out.
Yeah.
You can see it there. And then the one next to it over that car is out. I don't know if you can see that one's lit, and then they're all the way down. Might be easier to show you in a second, but yeah, they're just really, really clever. All these are off. Look, Steve's going to see if he can turn it off like a car. No, you're not big enough. Have to be a car. I can't believe it. I'm not. Okay, it takes 4 people to make the light go off. Move out of it. Everyone come off. Oh no, you broke. Hey, come back on. You're happy now?
Yeah, let's go.
Made the light go. Is it? That's a Boston. Look at that one.
Yeah.
Oh, I love them.
Oh, that's so nice.
Look at what's
They got
on
moths.
behind it. No,
Oh, no,
yeah.
It's a bit like Siren.
When we hold her ears down. This one. Very similar to our normal one we've got.
That 20% off.
Yeah, but it's still $250.
It's nice.
I need it. Look.
Oh, I like that. That's so nice.
I love him. How much are they?
Don't know.
They probably say on them. Oh, that little BB-8 one.
Oh wow, BB-8. Oh wow, they've got
I bet. Look at the Mickey Popcorn. They're cool, aren't they? Let's just put down lollies. A lot of these are pretty much everything in here. Wonka runts.
Yeah, banana candy.
That's like a gobstopper. Put it in Jake's mouth, maybe.
Look.
Oh, look at Mickey cookie. Oh, look at that one.
I know.
I think you should have lunch first.
Exactly what I said.
Oh, you will, won't. Some of these do. That looks well good. Look at that.
Yeah.
Right, lunch first, then we'll come back.
Yeah. You can see I'm making them look nice.
Jake is, oh yeah, you can't sit through the window. Making little cake pops. Yeah, you can't really. That's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Leave the poor lady alone, she's probably like, step for the bridge. So pretty. Steve wants to get us up in that balloon and I said, no thank you. Nah. Yeah, I'll do it there, but then it goes like right up there, I'm not doing that.
I'm pretty sure this winches up, this is actually blood.
For a minute.
Do you want to do that, Jake? Don't feel like dying today.
Not after I've eaten, or not before eating.
Not after he's eaten or not before he's eaten either.
No, not before.
You'd do it, wouldn't you? Blondie. Your hair's getting very blonde.
So that way.
Okay, so what way do we go? Jump, swim? We could swim. Are you sure it's not?
Look at my feet, it's shiny.
Huh? There you go. Very slowly.
Yeah.
Very slowly. Steve is using his phone to navigate around Disney Springs to try and find Blaze Pizza. We've already gone wrong twice.
We haven't.
So we have. You did that way, no that way, no that way. Now we're going down these steps. I don't think he really has a clue where we're going. Do you?
Yeah.
We're all hungry. We've only had cinnamon churro breakfast thingies.
They're good though.
Very pretty.
Look at
Waterfall. That is a waterfall.
water.
Being cocky now. He's found his way to a pizza shop. I think we will, darling. Ooh, exciting. I thought there was people floating around like a lazy river.
Yeah.
There was a duck. I was like, oh, wow, you can get in there. No, you can't. Let's do it. Let's go get some pizza. You're making your pit. That's your one, Oscar. Yeah.
So, 280 cents for the barbecue chicken. Cheese and the sauce is going to be at the end. For the meat eater and the one time they're going to have red sauce and mozzarella.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you. Oregano or sea salt?
Yes, please.
You get all the salads. They look real good, don't they?
Other than that, it's fire golden.
Oh wow.
Really cool, you can get mine.
Thank you.
That's really cool. Thank you. And then that's it. That's really cool. So Oscar's pizza has arrived. He's got a pepperoni and he's going to tuck in already. Bailey's got a barbecue chicken.
Yeah.
And Jake's also gone for barbecue chicken. He's really just trying to sit down, and that is a meat lover, wasn't it? And then Steve's just getting the other one from over there, all blurry. And you can see the fire oven over the back there.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, oh, look at the chilies on there.
Can I start?
Yes, darling, you can start. I'm starving hungry. Blaze pizza was good, but it's not Giordano's.
No, I say it's a really nice thin crust pizza, and they've good variety, and it's really good on the dining plan, isn't it? Because
Yeah, it was good.
All automatic characters this week.
Polite pig.
that's cool.
Oh yeah, look at the dragon around the back. He's good. Who's there?
Look, it's big.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Look, Mummy, look there.
Yeah, he's awesome, isn't he?
Yeah. And that's all I can look at. I want to go have a look at it.
Look at him.
Not all I know, it's the eyes.
He's good, isn't it? Rex Restaurant, Prehistoric Family Adventure.
Can we go on it?
No, it's a restaurant, darling.
Can we go?
I don't think we get a reservation. Look, instead of doing Build-A-Bear, you do Build-A-Dino. How awesome is that, though? Is it? Yeah, and then you get to sit over there. That looks really good. You see all the
Ice cave.
That looks really cool, doesn't it? The big fish tank.
Quite the back.
So, can we over in the box?
Yeah, we can look in the shop. Yeah, that's Jake. Look, always hungry.
Yeah, always hungry.
Hungry. Oh, they're cute, aren't they? Oh, he's big.
Wow, yeah. So that one's nodding at you.
Oh, yeah. He looks like he's looking at me. That's Build-A-Bears. Look, Build-A-Dino. Oh, look, that's very cute.
Oh, look at the sign. Look. Choose me.
Oh, no. How can you walk away? That's that one. Oh, he's very cute.
I need your best floss sound. There you go. Now you gotta make a wish, give it a kiss, and you get to put it inside.
You're on your back. That's cool.
What do you want to call him? We're going to type it in. Belongs to Oscar. Ready?
Oscar 17 minutes.
No. Yeah, you can get in them and then they drive down and take you across the water. Look at that.
I thought
It's so cool.
I thought Bailey said under.
No, don't go under the water.
I like to do it. I want to
How good is that?
What, is it right?
Yeah, you drive in, they drive in the water.
wonder how much it is.
I don't know.
Sorry, Oscar. Here's Joffrey's, the coffee place. So that's where we have our Mickey coffee every morning. Is a Joffrey's coffee. Joffrey's coffee, can't say it. Ooh, that looks nice. Pumpkin mudslide. Is he happy in his bag?
I've learned on him so it stays cool.
We just stopped off at Starbucks to get a cold drink. And we got these strawberry, I don't know what they're called.
Isn't it?
Strawberry cream frappuccino. And they're massive, they're absolutely huge. Because he said, what size do you want? And we said, well, what size can you have? And he said, any size. So obviously we've got the large one. And so he's got some sort of
I've
weird...
got a iced caramel cloud. It's nice.
Is it weird though?
Yeah, it's a little bit strange, but it's nice. Once you stir it up, it's good. It's really strange. It's like iced coffee with caramel.
So it's a bit of Bailey's head. And these are one snack credit, aren't they?
Down there for now.
There's a screen in front of us and it captures you. You can't be pick up on it.
No, look, you're going too close. You just like wipe it out, Jay.
See the green light will come on in a minute.
For your safety, remember to stay seated with all you parts and pieces.
We're on the Slinky Dog ride for the first time ever. We're really excited, aren't we? Yeah. We've got Bailey and Jake behind us. Are you ready? Did you like that? That was so nice. Oh, did it? Was he spitting us? What did we just come off of, Oscar?
Slinky Dog Dash.
And did you like it? Yeah. So now we're queuing up for Smuggler's Run, which is only 40 minutes.
That's good for it.
It's not bad.
It'll be like an hour.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, well, we weren't moving this far last time, were we? We're gonna do this, and we're gonna get some food, aren't we? Did you like Slinky? Jake, did you like Slinky? Yeah. Did you like Slinky?
Oh, it's really good.
Did you think it was as good as any of the others, or not really?
What do you mean, mate?
Like, I don't know, Hagrid's or...
No, it wasn't a Hagrid.
No, it was a bit tame. He's quite tame. Slinky,
Yeah,
he was tame.
I think best roller coaster out of this holiday is Hagrid's.
The best thing is
Flights of
Yes.
Passage, yeah, I agree.
Flights of Passage, I think, is the best ride.
Coke Lady's not there.
Oh,
Oh, we're going to get the bomb bottles.
somewhere else.
Yeah. So we're going to go on this because it's not, we're actually moving and we weren't moving here last time at all. So it looks really good, it's all lit up.
So cool.
They're illegal, you know that. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for. You help the resistance, and I get over it. What? The first one would never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye.
So cope with that. I've got to push buttons. Are you an engineer?
Yeah.
I was an engineer last time.
Mummy, so you have to push the square button
To fire the blasters, tap the round button to fire the missiles.
It'll tell you when to fire
So you can do that. Go sit. Go sit quickly. Yeah, quick. Quick. We'll blow up. Quickly. It's fine. Don't worry. Here we go.
Oscar.
Oh, it's sharp.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer.
Hi, welcome. Come on in. Need my pilots
For your safety,
Thank you.
remain seated and supervise young.
Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Roll back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Watch it. Works out. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Now just shoot the cargo free! Pilot brakes!
You're rubbish at
Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I have the go axiom! You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the systems are ready, maybe a little something for Pondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. First, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The first order, and make Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
Hey, we did better last time.
Master, if you listen to parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something.
For the Wookiee season.
I feel like we did better that time. We weren't so bad that time. It's because I was shooting that time. Because Daddy was engineering and Mummy and Oscar were shooting, so we're fine. Did you like that?
Yes, it is. Jake was trash. He kept going left and right when he shot the missile.
Yeah, at least I was trying to dodge all the things you were trying to hit.
No, I forgot that I forgot you pushed forward to go down and up to go up.
Yeah, so
I was like, and then after the initial crash, it was Jake.
It wasn't me.
No, I was fine. I didn't hit a thing.
Like we're filling our cups up.
Yeah. It's so cool, look at little bars. Boys have bought their Coke. Don't bite it here. They've got Coke in the shape of, what is it? A bomb? They're in the shape of bombs. Jake got an actual red one. And then Bailey and Oscar got silver, and we are running, and we're not running. Is it?
Yeah, cans of 350, these are 399 millimeters.
Ah, millilitres. So we're heading to Phantasmic if we get there on time.
17 credits. Do you reckon he meant like dollars?
18. He said, yeah, $18.
He said 17.
He said 18.
Let's make some magic.
Dinner, and Bailey's got the best dinner. He's got a foot-long hot dog with chilli and cheese on and chips.
This is my forehead.
I know, it's massive. The boys have gone for chicken nuggets, And then we've gone for some sort of fajita bowl. Where's the tortillas? Are they underneath the tortilla wraps?
I think so, yeah.
They're underneath, I think. And then we've got some sort of frozen
It's
cocktail?
a frozen red. Oh, I took a picture actually, so I'll tell you what exactly what it is. Because I
Looks
knew I
good
would
though.
remember. Yeah. It is a red stag, black cherry, bourbon, lemonade.
It's nice. And we also got flour tortillas with ours, but they forgot to give them to us, so Steve's just run back to get them. We've got chicken and pulled pork and rice, and Oscar's happy with his little Coke.
Oh no, back going.
Lumiere.
Oh, I know, he's really
He's
nice.
really heavy.
I know, I was surprised how heavy he was too.
He is $55. Oh, he's nice, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's 39.
Oh, I'd rather have him.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I know.
Put them down.
Oh, you wind it, I think.
Yeah, you're winding me up touching glass stuff. So, oh, that would look nice.
Like a polo.
$49 that one is.
Nice.
Solid. Oh, I love him.
Oscar's having a mood for rainbow things
He
today.
is, isn't he? $30.
I love this cup.
Where'd you get him? Oh, I didn't know they flashed.
Oh my god. I knew
Yeah.
Like some explosions.
Galaxy's Edge Landing 2019. That is $24.99. That
That's a
one.
cool cup though.
Yeah, it's
T-shirts
cool.
are 35.
Oh, well, those
Yeah,
ones are.
$34.95.
That's really cool.
He's good.
I like these badges. Cleared for landing.
$16.99. Oh,
They're nice, aren't
They
they?
are nice, 2019.
$16.99. I like this one. I don't know.
Oh, it's dress, look. Look at that.
Oh, you should get that, that's cool.
How much are they? Let's have a look.
How much do you reckon? Before you
They
leave?
are 128. I actually know because I've seen someone else show
Have
them.
you?
These are all about 128. Those. Oh, look at that chandelier, Oscar. Oh, look, it's Pandora. We've already been in one of these today.
I like the tabletops. I like marble. Let's play Who Can Find the Most Expensive
There's the ones that I think they're cute.
I like that one. I think we should get them.
1977, a triumphant year in screen history. On May 25th, at the world-famous Chinese Theater in Hollywood, California, Star Wars premiered.
going to take a lot of traffic from this place, isn't it? Look at them. You can see them much better now. They're flying along.
I love the wheels when they go off.
Yeah.
Look, like here.
We've got to try and find our bus. Amongst all these people, there's a lot of people.
Somewhere that way, isn't it?
Somewhere that way. Destination gate, there we go, bus directory. Animal Kingdom, Art of Animation, 40. Enjoy Star Wars?
Yeah, I thought it was amazing. I thought it was a really good show. We liked it, didn't we? Oscar liked the fire bit when it spat fire out.
Yeah,
And it was
Jake
so
was like,
hot.
ah, building.
I know, we were like, whoa, it was really hot.